right, gonna do an update on the front yard collection. This bog just continues to amaze me. It really is very self-sufficient. Like I think I've watered it maybe 3 times since January, and it's June right now. Even the sphagnum moss, is doing really good in this one. The fly traps look really good. This thing's throwing out a heap of traps. Oops, I'm sorry. Y'all gotta excuse my cinematography skills. Sometimes I look at what I'm talking about through my eyes instead of the camera. But the only thing that's lackluster in performance, if I had to pick something, is this minor OK. It looks like it's got a third picture coming up right there. But I want to see an adult trap on it. And I've got some more pots to go through. Flava regalia. This thing's throwing up a bunch of traps, a bunch of summer traps right now. Spring ones are pretty much done. And you got the tallest one right now opening up. B52 in there. Looks like it's gotten its fair share of prey. The B52 attracts a lot of bugs. It's always closed. Sarracenia rosea, Chipola, Florida, Chipola. I think that's it. Don't butcher me for messing up these names. But man, this thing right here was a seedling that was just randomly growing. That thing looks nice. I'm surprised at that. And then of course I got grass growing in it, which usually comes from the sphagnum moss. A couple sundews in each one of these. There's our Dixie lace. Finally getting some sizable pictures on it. Some sundews in that pot too. See if this, it don't look like that flower was pollinated. You got a nice, that might be an antho-free trap right there. We'll keep an eye on that one. That thing is super green. Maybe a Flava Maxima or antho-free clone of some type. And then this is Leucophylla Moria. We've had some super cloudy weather, which is funny. I like to show this, but we've had some really cloudy weather here lately. So if the early spring, when we didn't have as much cloudy weather, these traps were so much darker. But this thing is very vigorous too. I got this plant from the Fly Trap King. It doesn't grow super tall from what I can tell. If I had to guess, it's probably right under 2 feet. It looks like it's probably like 20 inches right now. But it puts up a ton of pictures, as you can see. I think it has 3 growth points. Maybe it's 2, maybe 3. I think it's 3 though, from what I can tell. But yeah, thing's a monster. Yeah, those are all the front yard pots.